Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter just came from Walmart. So I had a taste for nachos. So I bought the fixings for that, and of course Walter always has a taste for pork chops.
Not always.
You know.
It's just easy, simple. There's a little something that I have, but I can go with what she's fixing.
Man, please. Okay, so he's gonna air fry his chops. They in the air fry now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm going to do. Also, earlier I was talking to my kids and grandkids on a family chat. So we got a family chat. It's for everybody. And then my daughters have a chat just for them, just for the young folk. They don't want me to know nothing about what they're talking about. Well, that's okay. But anyway, we were talking about what people are bringing to Kalia's baby shower next week. So one of the things I was bringing was nachos, and then Kalia was saying, Grandma, you said you was going to make some string beans and potatoes and some macaroni and cheese. I said, well, a 71-year-old has a right to forget sometimes. So she settled on the nachos and chips and the mac and cheese to go with the chicken, fried chicken that somebody else is bringing. Anyway, let me lower this. Right here, let me raise it a little. Trying to get hot enough so I can wear my capris, y'all, and my sleeveless. I used to wouldn't wear sleeveless clothes because my arms are fat, but my arms ain't getting no skinnier by wearing the other kind of sleeves. So I already put 1 pound of lean ground beef. I got my, what kind of cheese is this? I got some cheddar cheese, Campbell's cheddar cheese. I'm not putting water in it like you make soup. I'm not doing that. Okay, let me turn this on. And that noise you hear is the air conditioner. The central air. And I'm using my Time and Table black and gold speckled cookware. I usually don't cook. I don't feel like cooking when I come in from shopping. But I wanted this bad, so I cook when I want to. I want something bad enough. So, you know, when you're going to use a packet of taco seasoning mix, you're supposed to use 1 packet per pound. When you use the seasoning mix, you're supposed to use some liquid. So I'm using the reduced sodium chicken broth. I'll be putting the picante sauce, the hot picante sauce on it. And I didn't think to get the shredded lettuce, so I don't have any, so that's alright. I bought me some grapes, so I'll wash them later and put them on in a mason jar, because they last longer. Mason jar. Cut this off until the meat is really brown. So I will be back when it's time to season this meat. And since I bought the 93.7 ground beef, I'm not going to have to dip out any grease. Now I had bought the chuck, which has a better flavor. Fat adds flavor. I'll be dipping out grease. And I used to use paper towels to dip them out. Okay, deep back. Okay, y'all, the meat is done. Just got very little juices in here. And we got to dip nothing out. So I'll put in the seasoning. And the liquids. I'll measure anything. Whoops. A little more. Let that simmer and let the liquid reduce. Out of the top. Let me show you what somebody in the store blessed me with. I let her go. I think I was backing out of the parking lot, out of my spot, and she was going behind me, so I let her go. And she went to put her groceries in her car, in her trunk. She said, "Hey, y'all like pickles?" I said, "Yes." She gave me this. It's sealed up. It's a 2-pack sealed up. Vlasic Purely Pickles. Kosher dill baby hoes. Whole pickles. Little bitty ones. And so I handed this to Walter so he could set it on the floor or somewhere. He hates pickles. So he didn't even want to hold the jars of pickles. Like he gonna smell them through the jar. I said, "Man, please." So that a blessing. Well, that's a blessing. I love pickles. Got my chips in the plates. I bought the cheap tortilla chips, the round ones. I usually buy the spicy Doritos. I got these today. This stuff. And add any other seasoning in here. Waiting for it to reduce. Put this back in the fridge. I'll be using that. Oh, and these peppers. The hot jalapeno slices. Fork. Okay, hurry up and cook. I don't want no juicy nachos. I'll be back. Okay, the meat is done. I got some meat on the chips, on the plate. I'm gonna dip this cheese. I like the cheese on the, y'all see what I'm doing? I like the cheese on the chips and the meat. Whoa. Okay, that's good. Some jalapenos. chops are done. My stuff is done. And salsa. It's a spicy salsa. No, it's picante. Spicy picante. Don't have no lettuce. So that ain't the end of the world. Yeah, I got pickles. You want some? You can have some. You can have a whole jar to yourself. Don't you just love them? I'm gonna open them up. I'm gonna put some pickle juice on your pork chop. Okay, let me do a thumbnail. Here are my nachos, y'all. With no lettuce. Just all the other stuff. We're gonna see how Walter's chops look. Okay. They look done. What are you trying to do? Dry them out? Okay, y'all. I want to thank you all for watching. If you want to see me eat a nacho. I'm trying to get some meat on it and some cheese. I don't like eating this kind of stuff in front of y'all because it can be messy. And I'm doing this with my left hand. Okay, I got some cheese on here. Where's the camera? Right there. How hot is it? That's good. Oh. Let me tell you what happened to me yesterday. You know, I made some air fried chicken wings. I went to put some hot sauce on my chicken. The top came off while I was trying to flip the lid up. And the bottle dropped right on my baby toe. So
Right when you were trying to criticize me about something, that's when it happened. Damn,
you
God
just
don't like
you
us.
just evil.
God don't like
You acted evil. Anyway, so I'm hobbling around here because my little toe hurts. And when I was in Walmart today, I bought me some flip-flops. So, since I haven't been outside with these on, that's what I have on in the house. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.